Good morning, Montreal. Today we are doing the event here in Montreal. We're going around the circuit in the middle of the city. When it's not being used for racing and F1s, then it's open to the public. So today will be a little bit different to the normal events that we've been doing, where we have demos and then we do group rides. So this one, there won't be a group ride, and we're just gonna do, like laps around the track. I think it's about a 4 or 5 kilometer track, so it's pretty long. Let's go.
Okay, mama, pot.
What's up?
It's rolling.
It's rolling.
Have some fun.
Just on our way to the circuit now. Still not raining yet, so that's good. Well, this is definitely the most organized event so far. We have food and everything. We just arrived at the circuit here. As you can see, we have a little bit of a setup. There's food, there's drinks, there's helmets, there's e-skates. It's gonna be a good day.
Oh, this is really, really nice. This is over the top.
You're boosted from a mile away.
Yeah. You'll run out of battery if you do another lap. Yep. It's gonna sound the same, but it's not.
We programmed ours for it to go backwards and forward.
Yeah.
So a bit like the boosted.
Yeah.
So I like
you can
it.
program if you want.
I like it for like traffic because let's say you're in city traffic. Let's say you brake and you're a little bit too much like in the curve. You can like back up just a little. I find it useful for like city traffic.
I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos as well.
Yeah.
It's similar to snowboarding, but
A little bit, yeah.
okay, this is quite new.
Good position right now. That's how I usually ride. Alright?
Yeah. I think it's also I have no shoes.
Probably.
Yeah. So what's this called?
This is called a Raptor 2.
Raptor 2, eh?
Yeah.
Ok.
Passe avec la Unity?
Ouais. Kick out. Done. Ben, pour l'instant, on l'a seulement sur Android.
How are you?
Good.
Just boosted?
Yep.
That's what you ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever tried a Raptor before?
No, not yet.
Okay, alright.
So I want to try it.
We should get you on one.
That's the new 2.0, 2.1.
2.1. Yeah. Do you want fast mode or?
I'll try it in slow mode before, and I'll come back in fast mode.
Drive anything you want.
It was nice, but it was very different because it's very heavy, very powerful.
Yeah.
There's a lot of grip because there's big wheel. So.
And go for a group lap. Should be good.
Hey, what's up? We're about to go for a group ride. You can come with if you want.
Are you guys about to leave? Yeah, this is Frankenstein thing. It's a wheel from a hoverboard.
Yeah.
What is that? Do it like cheapo build you can make, That's the cheap. Yeah, it's a hoverboard wheel, and then this is a battery that I've had for my electric bike, so I put it's homemade,
Oh man, what the hell?
It's a hoverboard wheel.
Yeah, and I got my electronics in the whiskey.
Yes. All right, that's my kind of board. Look at that.
That thing's hilarious, man. Feels great. Yeah.
pavement is nice and smooth. It gives you the perfect opportunity to try out the guts of the Raptor 2.
Wait, this is the BMX?
This is the BMX.
Like the inertia, they tell you, dude, we have problems with this, like we screwed up that, we're gonna fix that. Like they're very open compared to Boost. Like we were at a Boosted Board event in Toronto, and they were showing off their V3s. Nice guys and everything, but when you would talk specs, like, hey, what are you, any issues, or like, how many sales have you done? They would like shut up, you know. They wouldn't tell you, they'd be like, oh, we don't have that information, but you know what I'm saying? Like,
We're getting the Inertia newsletter while we're at an Inertia World Tour event. This is awesome.
Alright guys, we're pretty much finished up. It just started raining, so I think that'll do us for today in Montreal. But yeah, good turnout. Even though it was wet, the Raptors held up pretty well, so. We're about to do something really stupid.
Not my proudest achievement here.